Connect ka dyan sa Teleradyo Serbisyo at Radyo 630.
9 minutes before 3:30 ng hapon mga kaserbisyo. Meron pa tayong isang guest. At syempre, matapos nating pag-usapan lahat ng mga pwedeng racket, lahat ng pwedeng dagdag kita, sino bang pwedeng magturo sa atin para gawin yun? Nasa Zoom po, si Philip Soriano ng APX PH. Magandang hapon, happy Sunday, Sir Philip.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me again.
Ayan, welcome back sa Connect Ka Dyan.
Hi, Sir Philip. Naalala
Hello,
mo,
Dr. Good afternoon.
siya yung akala kong bouncer ka ba?
Oo, yung...
Gym instructor ka ba?
Correct.
Kasi ano bang, sabi kasi dito, siya ay naglilibreng training. Akala ko
Correct.
gym training ang
Ibang
ginagawa
training
niya.
pala.
Job
So,
fair training
correct.
pala siya.
So anong mai-offer natin this time, Sir Philip? Go ahead po.
Well, kung malaking katawan niyo katulad ko,
Sige, ano hong mga job fair na libreng training ang pwede hong ma-avail mula po sa APX Incorporated?
actually, ang in-offer namin is really online side gigs. So if you are digitally talented, you could provide services online, whether you're in marketing, graphics, video editor, or kahit photographers actually. They could work online as a side gig. So marami po sa mga friends ko who are working in corporate. As of now, yung iba nagko-consult din. They also tutor kids. Pwede maging English tutor sila or basic school teachers tutor. So, marami po, everything is online. So, we specialize in the online world. And just like kanina, kasi the two yung negosyante kanina na nagbe-baking sila. Actually, meron din akong friend nagbe-bake sila. Actually, ang tawag sa kanila, we bake online kasi wala silang pwesto. So, lahat ng market nila is just like yung couple kanina. They do it on TikTok, they do it on Facebook, nagla-live sila. And then, may mga ibang, naman, syempre yung mga iba na wala naman skills for the online world. People can do buy and sell online or pwede na ibenta yung mga used items or anything that they could, homemade items, mga crafts, mga bracelets, necklace. Actually, yung isang daughter ng kaibigan ko, mahilig siya gumawa ng mga bracelets, yung mga beads.
Yeah.
So, yun yung binibenta nyo on Marketplace. And then right now, medyo nag-upgrade sila na platform na sa Shopee and Lazada na sila. So, gumagawa din sila ng mga headband na may beads, may cotton designs. So, malaki din yung market doon where the kids sell their own crafts.
Ano yung pinakamabilis na training, Sir Philip, from your end? Halimbawa, may nakikinig sa atin ngayon na gusto kong matuto agad kasi gusto kong kumita rin agad. Ano yon?
Well, siguro start, if you don't have any types of skill set, start at home. Hanapin niyo yung bagay na hindi niyo na kailangan sa bahay. Tapos ibenta niyo in Marketplace. Facebook
Selling muna.
Yes. Kasi in any side gig, kailangan mo talaga ibenta whether product yan or service. So, hanapin niyo yung tipong, halimbawa, mayroon kayong lumang upuan sa bahay or lamesa, hindi niyo naman ginagamit. Ibenta niyo. So that's already a side gig na. And believe it or not, yung mga nagbebenta online in Marketplace, kumikita sila somewhere around 5,000 to 15,000 depende sa item. Yun. And yung iba naman, go ahead.
And may certificates po yung mga training, Sir Philip.
Oo naman. Meron naman po. Of course, these certificates, we usually certify them that it's really not internationally recognized, but it is recognized within the public na okay, dito,
certified,
if you could sell, if you have the skill set, and pag na-train ka namin for these types of specialized skills, then of course you have proof na may certificates kayo dyan.
Maraming nakikinig sa atin, Sir Philip, na senior citizens. Hindi mga tech-savvy ang mga yan, di ba? Hindi naman sa minamaliit sila, pero may mga gano'n na nalilimit dahil sa technology yung mga seniors natin. May mga trainings ba kayo for senior citizens?
Actually, currently we do not have trainings for senior citizens, but I would like to disagree on that part na hindi sila tech-savvy. Kasi yung mga parents ko, senior citizen sila, pero everyday nasa Facebook sila.
Nasa TikTok din.
Actually, if yung skill set ng mga senior citizens, ang galing nila mag-scroll.
Nag-improve na rin.
Yes, and they're very updated with the latest news. Actually, yung mom ko, siya yung nagbabalita sa akin so ano nangyayari sa mundo. She knows she's updated with the latest happening sa Hollywood. So,
Correct.
how do you spend so much time on social media? Sabi ko, pwede kayo maging social media researcher. And that is innate. Ginagawa niya every night. So, she's a good researcher for that. And people do hire other people with that kind of skills.
Yes. So, pero walang ano yun, walang age limit yon. Kung gusto mong maging researcher ka, yung VA na tinatawag, walang age limit yon as long as you can deliver.
That is correct. That is correct.
Sir, we have a few seconds left. Ano po ang inyong mensahe sa ating mga nanonood at nakikinig para hindi po sila mawala ng loob at syempre galingan po nila lalo sa buhay?
Okay, so sa lahat na nakikinig, kung gusto nyo talaga kumita on the side for anything, just utilize technology. Kung anong ginagamit nyo everyday, for example, like Facebook or doon sa smartphone nyo, this is a very powerful tool. Just take a snapshot of anything out there or take a snapshot of the service you could provide, post it online, and then for sure, makakuha kayo ng side gigs anytime, anywhere.
Cellphone lang ang puhunan at saka internet, lakas ng loob at pagsusumikap, pwedeng kumita at magtagumpay. Tama po ba, Sir Philip?
Tama po ba? Yeah.
Ayan, naku, maraming salamat po. Yan po si Sir Philip Soriano ng
Thank you,
APXPH. Hanggang sa susunod po ulit, ano Sir?
Yes, till next time. Thank you for having me again.
Salamat, Sir Philip.
Oo, and you can check on them sa kanilang mga social media accounts. APX Incorporated. Madami nga silang mga free training,
Correct.
diba?
Oo, puntahan lang nila sa Facebook.
Tumutulong sila for job fairs. Okay, so thank you, partner.
May ano lang tayo, Doc. May nagmamadali lang tayong
Flash report.
Kaserbisyo!